Hello guys, welcome to this course on Unix shell scripting. My name is Sijesh, and this video I will get you introduced with a regular expression, and also we will see how to use this regular expression in sed. So this is the continuation of the sed tutorial, and here we will see some of the basic regular expression that we can use. So first, what is a regular expression? So it's nothing but a pattern that represents one or more string, and it's used for searching and replacement mainly. So there are a lot of regular expression pattern available, so we will see some of them in this tutorial. So first this caret symbol. So this represents beginning of a string, okay, string or beginning of a line. And second is dollar. So this represents end of the line. Say for example, I have something like, okay, apple is good, and if I have another line, hello apple. So if I just use this dollar caret symbol in my regular expression, that is caret apple. So this is a regular expression. So this regular expression, if I try to match with this line by line, here definitely it will match, because apple is the beginning of a line or beginning of a string, so it will match. The second line, it will check hello apple. Yes, apple is there, but not at the beginning of a line, so this will not match if you use this caret symbol. So this caret we can use along with other expression or pattern, and if caret is there, that represents, so whatever the pattern followed by this is at the beginning of the line. So here, instead of pattern, I just used a simple string apple. And next is the dollar. So dollar is similar to caret, so only the difference is, so this represent at the beginning of the line, then dollar represent at the beginning of the end of the line. Say for example, if I have a apple dollar, so that this means, okay, so just apple dollar, I will write it here, apple dollar. So this represents the apple is at the end of the line. So if it try to match here, so apple is here, so it will not match, but here it will match. Next is a single character that we can represent with the dot. So dot represents any character, so any single character can be represented with a dot. Say for example, if I write in set or anyway a regular expression like this, a dot b, so this represents in between a and b, it's expecting any character, so this will match with the a plus b. So this is also one character, and a and b are there, and it will match with a minus b, a x b, so a dot b also, because dot itself is a character. So dot represents any single character. So we will see this example exercise. So go to the terminal, and we have got input file, and we will use this in a sed. Okay, let me just use a sed. Yes. So how to replace? So what is the string I need to search? So let me just search with the shell, and what is the replacement? I can just use this one, and input.txt. So by default, so it will search line by line, okay, or process line by line, and whenever it see a shell, so it will replace that with the xxx, okay. And this is not replaced because this case is always case sensitive. So if you don't want that case sensitivity, or do a case insensitive approach, you can use -i flag here. So I means case insensitive. So by default it's a case sensitive, so this is a lowercase shell here, but that is also getting replaced. Okay, leave it there, and let me just see that file again. Say for example I have shell available in multiple places, and we can see that is getting replaced with this string. But if I want to replace the shell which is available only at the beginning, so how do I do? Okay, let me just remove this. Okay, I don't. So I can use this caret symbol here. So even we have a shell available in other places, but that is not replaced. Only the shell which is available at the beginning of the line is replaced. And next is let's just check. We have a shell at the end. In that case we will use shell dollar. Yes, this is only getting replaced. So we have shell available on multiple places, I mean at the beginning, at the end, and in the middle. So if I use the dollar, it will replace at the end. And also what happen if I use the both? So in this case it will not match anything, because this represents, okay, shell is, okay, just before shell it's the beginning of the line, and after shell the end of the line. That means only the shell is available in that line. Okay, so if you use the dollar and caret, so it will not match both. Okay, maybe if we think in this way, like a caret match at the beginning and dollar match at the end, and if I put both, so it will match only if the line contain shell alone. Let's just replace that, I mean add a single line like this. Okay, so if I put this again, you can see that is replacing, because only the shell is available in that line. So this represents beginning of the line, this represents end of the line. If you use both, that means exactly that word is available in the line. Let me show you another example. Input 2.txt. So if you just see the file content, okay, say for example if I use the regular expression a dot b, it will match with a comma b, a plus b, a x b, then a 0b, a f and b, because the dot represents any single character. If I use ZS, then a dot b, then whatever the string I need to replace, then my input file. So here you can see this is replacing this one, and if I do a global replacement, since as I said, it by default it will replace the first occurrence per line, but if you want to do multiple occurrence, because here you have one more, so that is also getting replaced. So first understand, so dot represents any single character, so it can be a number, it can be an alphabetic or numeric or any special character. Okay, so we have seen caret symbol, dollar symbol and dot. So with that I am concluding this demo. So we will see in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.